My name is Pranchi Kamble.
And my name is Prachivar.
We are from Madhyamik Vidyalaya Pimpalgurav studying in 10th standard A. Our project name is power dioxide. She will tell you about problem statement.
The problem statement is air pollution and rising carbon dioxide CO2 levels are major environmental concerns, mainly caused by vehicles using fossil fuels. These emissions contribute to global warming and poor air quality. Air pollution and rising CO2 levels are serious environmental issues. Vehicles running on fossil fuels are major cause of this problem. This project proposes a bike or car that runs on carbon dioxide, turning harmful emission into useful energy source and reducing pollution in the environment. Now, she will tell you about objective.
Objective. The primary objective of this project is to design and develop a sensible vehicle concept that utilize carbon dioxide as potential source fuel. To design a prototypic type of a bike or car that can effectively operate on CO2 derived fuel. To assess the environmental and economic impact of implementing CO2 based fuel technology in automotive industry. To promote the sustainable use of carbon dioxide by converting it into fuel to support neutrality and reduce environmental impact. Now she will tell you about material requirement.
Material required. First method is vehicle chassis, bike or car frame. Second, engine, modified to run on CO2 derived fuel. Third, CO2 capture storage unit, cylinder or tank for storing CO2. Fourth, the fuel conversion system, electrolyzer or catalyst setup to convert CO2 into fuel. Fifth, piping and valves for fuel control. Sixth, sensors and gauges, temperature, pressures and emission monitoring. Seventh, battery power sources for auxiliary operations if we need it. Say 8. Basic tools and safety equipment, gloves, goggle, welding tools, etc. Now, she will tell you about working principle.
Working principle. CO2 capture. Carbon dioxide is collected into atmosphere or existing gas and stored in cylinder. Second is fuel conversion. The stored CO2 is converted into usable fuel like methanol, a synthetic hydrocarbon, using a chemical or electrochemical process. Third is fuel injection. The CO2 device fuel feed into the engine through the fuel system. Fourth is combination or power generation. The engine burns the fuel to produce energy which powers give or car. Fifth is emission reduction. Since CO2 is being reduced as a fuel or greenhouse gas emission are reduced compared to conventional fossil fuel. Now she will tell you about benefit to society.
Benefit to society is first, reduce greenhouse gases emission means helps combat climate change by reducing CO2. Second, promotes renewable energy means encourages sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels. Third, improves air quality means lower emissions means cleaner air in urban areas. Fourth, supports carbon neutrality means contributes to global efforts to reduce carbon footprint. Sixth, innovates transportation technology means advances eco-friendly vehicles development and green industries. Now she will tell you about conclusion.
Conclusion. The project demonstrates a potential of using CO2 of fuel, offering a contribute alternative to fossil fuel. It reduces greenhouse gas emissions, supports carbon neutrality, and promotes eco-friendly transportation. Overall, the research contribute to the advancement of green technology, encourage features involving and sustainable vehicle solution. Now she will tell you about primary images.
So this is the two vehicles that we most use in India. This is the car of power dioxide means fuel of this car is carbon dioxide, and this is the bike of power dioxide in which also we use carbon dioxide is fuel. In the fuel of carbon dioxide we use various vehicles like truck, rickshaw, tempo, etc. So this is the project of ours. Thank you.